Hello guys, before start, be sure to click the button and subscribe our channel. You will thank me later. So guys, we're gonna start. What is trading exactly? How you can start trading? What do you need to be able to say you are a trader? In my opinion, just 1 minute. That's all. You need to download an application, click a couple of times with your mouse, and you can start trading.
Oh my god! Wow!
It's really simple. You can start right now. But guys, stop for a moment, okay? In theory, you have two different ways. And at first, you can deposit your own money on account created by broker. There is general opinion that this way, if you're gonna go with this, so you're gonna deposit your money, then many people say you're gonna act cautious, carefully. But there is an emotion aspect. Still, it's your money, so when you invest them, for sure you're gonna feel a lot of emotion, different. There is this conviction which creates the image that you will double your account and earn easy money. Of course, there will be positive results. There will be positive position. You will get great trades on which you will gain. And of course, when you will earn, there will be this euphoric emotion which will drive you to invest more and more. But hello, there is a negative side about investing your own money. Many people forget about this, but it's investing on financial markets. So there will be losses. You're gonna lose some money. They always are. And you know, it would be great. So you will lose your own capital. And that's crap. So remember that the loss is gonna be there. And you have to accept it. It's a part of our business. And please don't believe if someone gonna tell you, oh, you can only earn there. It's no risk. It's bullshit. Don't try to work them out, whatever it takes. This is when you will create a circle of bad decision. And now I'm gonna talk about the second way, which is much closer to me. Give yourself time to acquire knowledge. Learn about the market, read a little, look for basic information, and don't rush yourself. There are a lot of sources to get knowledge. And second element is you need to focus on your own growth, on your progress. And come on, please choose wisely. Don't think you will be a trader after 1 or 2 weekends. Why? Because you need much more than 20 hours of knowledge about the trading, about the money, about earn properly. And you know, this is like with all of the skills. You need to keep growing in this area to get results. It's like this everywhere. Either is the gym or stock market. And the third element, this is the most important thing. It's about practical skills. After getting all information, reading these books, this is only theoretical knowledge. You have to put it to practical action. So I know it could be easier, but you have to implement all of this information and do, smart things on the chart with trading, with knowledge. Practice, and it's the most important thing. And here we are. This is one tip for you. Try everything on your demo account. We can call it simulation. It's okay. You can implement your knowledge and test a lot of different strategies. And in real, there is only one way, okay? You can gather all the knowledge, try it in practice on demo simulation accounts, and harness your skill. You can become a really successful trader, but do it properly. Click here to go to next video on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. May the profit be with you. Keep trading, guys.